start with a video on dinitrogen. The dinitrogen, as the name suggests, is a compound of nitrogen. When two nitrogen atoms combine together forming a triple bond with each other, dinitrogen is what we get, right? So here we have an equipment from Messer that is used to produce dinitrogen industrially. Well, before we go into further details of this equipment, let us understand the principle behind the production. Dinitrogen is prepared by liquefaction and fractional distillation of the air that we breathe, right? So two terms have come up here. Liquefaction. Liquefaction means converting the air into a liquid, and fractional distillation means distillating it into various components depending on different boiling points of those components. This process of liquefaction and distillation is performed in various steps. So in the first step, the normal air that we breathe, right, is filtered out and reduced to a temperature of -167 degrees. In the second step, the carbon dioxide and water molecules are removed by a process known as adsorption, right? This is a sieve used to remove carbon dioxide and water molecules from the air. And why do we want to do that? Because these molecules get stuck in the pipes that will be eventually releasing nitrogen, oxygen and argon. So those molecules are removed. After that, the air is again liquefied and then the fractional distillation process takes place. Post that, the various components like nitrogen, oxygen and argon gets distillated out from the air, and hence we get our dinitrogen. So this was the industrial method of preparation of dinitrogen. When we need smaller amounts of dinitrogen in laboratory, we react aqueous solution of ammonium chloride with sodium nitride and get dinitrogen as a product. Another reaction which produces dinitrogen is barium azide, and this reaction is used to obtain very pure nitrogen. In the above reaction that we just discussed with ammonium chloride and sodium nitride, small amounts of impurities are found, and that is why if we need very pure dinitrogen, we need to perform the reaction of sodium azide. Let us now see a couple of physical properties of dinitrogen. Dinitrogen is a colorless, odorless, tasteless and a non-toxic gas.